Hello, welcome to Nazi Zombies. 4 players. We're playing 5. I'm hoping I'm Kennedy. Okay. Load in. This is my first video going on, hopefully the correct way. Third attempt. Let's start game.
Power level critical. Major system offline.
Dang it!
Will someone please find the power?
Let's see, who am I?
I'm gonna want
Yes!
then hug it and call it shattered.
Dang it. I thought I was not Hitler. They want to be. That's what they should make. Hitler. And again, that'd be wrong, since, you know, Hitler was the leader of the Nazis, and we're killing Nazis. Killing. Wherever you want to look at it.
Trust me again and I will kill you again.
Okay. I am Jacob 100101, and that's a zombie. Oh, it doesn't do that on the map. Bad zombie, bad zombie, bad zombie, bad. No one's there. Kennedy. Don't know why I like being Kennedy. Oh, because he's so awesome.
I will spill the and that's how you push the button.
Okay then, Kennedy. Grab my shotty.
Who wants a buckshot ride?
Let's see. Got zombies? Yeah, so, boom. Oh. Good zombie. Good zombie, however you want to. You support the zombies. I don't like you, and neither does. Oh, he likes you because he wants to hug me. Bad. Boom. So basically, gonna play any games I feel like. I'm in free country. Whoa. You don't take it yet. So beautiful. Okay, who took it? Someone took it. Who took the candy from the stranger?
Appraisal of this weapon is one of a truth. Disgusting.
Bad. Said bad. There's a zombie over there. Gotta run, gotta run. Gotta kill the zombies! Hey, look at that. Boom! So, yeah. Oh, gotta reload real quick. Gotta save that max ammo. Boom! Oh, double
I
kill.
want your blood and I want your vote.
Yeah! Yeah, because zombie votes are more important than regular votes. Because I have a bad connection, I guess. Oh well. But, hey, we got that open. Let's get. Nah, I'm heading. May head down stairs. Oh god! Bird! It's a bird zombie! Don't run for president unless you count. Even if it would count, zombie. So, okay, yeah. Definitely having bad connection right now. Whoa, bad! Wow.